Hi, this is Marlon G, and welcome to my podcast. For my very first episode of my podcast, gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung sino ba talaga si Marlon G. At ano ba talaga ang ginagawa ni Marlon G. So, siya ba talaga ay nagsispeak lang or nagli-listen lang or nagto-talk lang? But yes, on my first episode, gusto kong ipakilala yung sarili ko. I am Marlon Gutang from Cebu. I'm 36 years old. My childhood was very hard. I came from a very poor family, below poverty line. My mom was a plain housewife. My stepfather was a construction worker. I spent all my years studying in public schools, but grabe yung mga teachers ko. They inspired me to dream big at ang dami kong natutunan. Why I started my journey here in podcasting. I've seen a lot of videos, short clips sa social media, sa YouTube. We Filipinos, as I have noticed, syempre mas popular yung sa atin na mga entertaining na mga videos, nakakatuwa. Minsan kahit hindi nakakatawa, kahit nakakaasar, nakakainis, yun yung gusto nating pinapanood. Why not or pinapakinggan? So, napaisip ako, bakit konti lang talaga ang mga videos and podcasts na tumatalakay sa mga topics that will enrich our lives, that will add value to our lives. So, that's the aha moment na sabi ko sa sarili ko, bakit hindi ko kaya simulan na mag-podcasting? Just to give you a background, during the pandemic, I created a Facebook page when Marlon G Speaks. Currently, it has 1,000 plus followers. These followers some of them are my friends, but not all are my friends. These followers are mga organic followers, mga kung sino-sino mga followers. Actually, I would like to use the Facebook page as my platform to motivate, to inspire, and uplift others. Yun talaga yung goal ko. Ang goal ko din is, for the longest time, gusto ko talagang actually makatulong sa mga tao. Kahit sa anong aspeto. Could be kahit sa mga friends ko, be generous with my time. Hindi rin ako mayaman, so hindi na ako pwede tumulong financially. Although, syempre nalalapitan din ako at times kahit tight yung budget ko. Pero what I would like to really do in my life, I would always wanted to leave a legacy. So gusto ko talagang mag-leave ng mark. If ever mawala man ako sa mundo na to, at least may kabuluhan akong nagawa. And that legacy I want to give to the people, to my listeners, to my viewers. Kahit nung bata pa ako, ganun na ako. Gusto ko pag umalis ako sa kahit sa school or sa workplace, gusto ko natatandaan yung pangalan ko because of something that is remarkable for them. Kaya ako ginawa tong podcast para hindi sa matulungan, at least man lang they could learn something from me, kung ano mang topic na pwedeng i-share dito sa podcast ko, and of course from my guests. This podcast, it's not always about me. I will also be inviting guests who are inspirational, who can motivate us, and who can inspire us to be a better version of ourselves. Yun talaga yung gusto kong gawin for the longest time. Of course, may takot ako na, baka hindi mag-click, baka hindi ako pakinggan ng mga listeners, or baka hindi ako panoorin ng mga viewers. Pero, andun din yung, kung hindi ko siya gagawin ngayon, kailan ko siya gagawin? Kaya, now is the time na magsimulan ko siya. Simulan ko yung journey ko sa podcasting. At I hope you guys will be with me on this journey from day one until kung ano mang days ang pwede pa nating marating. I hope that you will watch me as I grow here in podcasting, na hindi mawawala yung suporta niyo sa akin. Yun, mahirap siyang gawin actually kasi lahat ng pagsiset-up, I'm not complaining. This is a journey that I can consider na parang baby ko siya. Parang for the past years, wala ako masyadong ginawa na parang hobby. Lagi lang ako nasa social media. Siguro mga 10 hours na screen time ko. So there are podcasts that I kept on listening that really inspired me to live life na purpose-driven life na lahat ng gagawin natin ma-intention. Yun yung gusto kong ma-share din sa inyong lahat. Hindi naman sa iwasan. There are contents na talagang nakakaaliw, no? Pero tanungin mo yung sarili mo, does it add value to your life right now? Or is just superficial thing na tumawa ka ng ilang minuto pero hindi nagbago yung estado ng buhay mo? Hindi nagbago yung pananaw mo? Hindi nagbago yung mindset mo? Yung game plan mo? Same pa din. Although, alam ko, most of us Filipinos, gusto talaga natin entertaining talaga. But why not start listening to a podcast where you can learn a lot of things, tips na pwede kong maibahagi sa inyo at pwedeng maibahagi ng mga guests ko on my podcast. And that's one thing I'm very excited about on my following episode. That's it for my first episode of my podcast. Thank you everyone for listening and for watching on my very first episode of my podcast. For the second episode, a friend of mine will be guesting and he will be sharing his fitness journey. He will be giving us tips on how to maintain a healthy body and of course a healthy mind. And I'm just so excited. My second episode will be lahat yun in English, kaya sana panoorin nyo or pakinggan nyo ang second episode ng podcast ko. Again, thank you so much. Nakakataba po ng puso na pinanood nyo hanggang sa huli ang first episode of my podcast. Thank you so much and I hope to see you on my second episode and on my upcoming episode and uploads. Thank you for watching. Bye!